ಇನ್ನು ಮೀನುಗಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬೋಟ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಮಾ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ 20,000 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅನುದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 55 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಘೋಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು ವಿತ್ತ ಸಚಿವರು.
It will give employment for about 55 lakhs of people, and it will help in doubling India's export to reach 1 lakh crores. We also hope that this will bring in better standards in traceability, laboratory networks will be provided, fishing vessels, new fishing vessels can be given for fishermen and so on, new fishing harbors can also be built. And during the ban period, in the sense not the COVID ban period, but every year fishermen don't go to the sea during a certain period. At that during that period also they can get some kind of a assistance. So personal boat and insurance for boats, both personal and also both can be insured. Insurance will be provided. So this we expect will lead to additional fish production of about 70 lakh tons over the next 5 years. But largely our focus is making sure India stands up on its own. India is able to be helped to stand up on its own, in turn generate more jobs and so on. So you find a lot more giving of empowering people through creation of skills, creation of logistics and so on.
ಪಶು ಸಂಗೋಪನೆ ಮೂಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಶು ಸಂಗೋಪನೆ ಮೂಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಡ್, ಮೂಲ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ 15,000 ಕೋಟಿ. ಪಶು ಸಂಗೋಪನೆ, ಖಾಸಗಿ ಹಾಲು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಗೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖಾಸಗಿ ಡೈರಿಗಳ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ, ಪಶು ಆಹಾರ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಗೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಶು ಸಂಗೋಪನೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಉದ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಿಂದ ಅನುದಾನ, 1.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಪಶುಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾಲುಬಾಯಿ ರೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಲಸಿಕೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 13,000 ಕೋಟಿ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 53 ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಿತ್ತ ಸಚಿವರು.
Pradhan Mantri ji has been looking at the foot and mouth disease of animals. Many of our animals, because they have not been vaccinated, suffered from this foot and mouth disease, as a result of which many of our milk related producers or dairy or even animals which get infected could not be coming over to the markets. So farmers or animal keepers had a lot of suffering. So in order that we ensure 100% vaccination of all cattle, all buffalo, all sheep, all goat and pig population, nearly 53 crore animals. India is one of the largest livestock bearing country, and therefore for a country of that size with one of the largest stock of animal with us, FMD has to be eradicated. Therefore till date, beginning January, in spite of the lockdown difficulties, 1.5 crore cows and buffaloes have been tagged and they have been vaccinated. So traceability can be established. Why am I saying this? This had a commitment of over 13,000 crores from January of this year. That amount is also flowing, and now post the lockdown, in the green zones at least, this work shall continue with great speed. This forms the basis for my next slide, which pertains to animal husbandry and the money which is being allowed for that building of capacities in animal husbandry.